Welcome to Compare to Win. The best garage door opener is probably one of the most convenient and secure additions you can make to your home, offering seamless control and enhanced safety for your garage. Imagine never having to worry about manually opening or closing your garage door again, especially on those rainy days or when your hands are full. This device not only brings a touch of modern technology to your daily routine but also provides peace of mind through its advanced security features, ensuring your home remains protected. It's a smart investment for any homeowner looking to upgrade their living experience with effortless access and robust security. Number 5. EUFY Security Indoor Cam E220. Never miss a moment that matters. Our advanced AI intelligently detects people and pets, ensuring it only records when something important happens. Experience crystal clear visuals with up to 2K resolution. You'll be able to see exactly what's happening inside your home, no matter the time of day. Easily connect it with your favorite smart home ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa for effortless control. Once motion is detected, it automatically tracks movement, providing a full 360 degrees view of the room. You'll always have eyes on every corner. Stay connected with loved ones or deter intruders using the built-in two-way audio. Speak in real time directly through the camera. Enjoy peace of mind with enhanced night vision capabilities. It ensures clear monitoring even in low-light conditions. What we like. This camera offers crisp 2K video and impressive 360 degrees coverage with its pan and tilt feature. If you need to keep an eye on pets or children throughout the entire room, this is a great choice. Its motion tracking ensures you never miss a moment. What people say. The EUFY garage door opener is a great addition to my garage. It works seamlessly with my existing garage door opener and the app is very user-friendly. I love the fact that I can control my garage door from anywhere using my smartphone. The installation was straightforward and the device feels very secure. The EUFY garage door opener has a sleek design and integrates well with other smart home devices. The notifications are timely and accurate, letting me know when my garage door is opened or closed. Number 4. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience seamless integration with your Apple smart home systems. It's perfect for those who want a reliable security camera without any monthly fees. Don't let the weather stop you. This outdoor camera is built to withstand the elements, ensuring year-round reliability for your home security. Enjoy all the features without any hidden costs. There are no monthly fees required to keep your home secure. Forget frequent charging. Get up to 180 days of security monitoring on a single charge, offering hassle-free and extended use. It intelligently detects humans using advanced recognition technology. This elevates your security measures for a robust home system. Capture every detail with stunning 1080p HD clarity. See exactly what's happening around your home, day or night. Rest easy with clear night vision and motion-only alerts. You'll be notified only when it matters most. What we like. This wireless outdoor camera boasts an incredible 180-day battery life and is completely weatherproof. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting security solution for your home's exterior without any hidden costs, this is the one for you. What people say. The EUFY garage door opener is a great addition to my home. It was easy to install and set up, and it works flawlessly. I love that I can control it from my phone, and the app is very user-friendly. The EUFY garage door opener has a sleek and modern design that looks great on my garage door. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. The motor is quiet and powerful, and it opens and closes the door quickly and smoothly. The EUFY garage door opener offers a lot of great features, such as the ability to set schedules, receive notifications when the door is opened or closed, and integrate with other smart home devices. The security features are also top-notch, giving me peace of mind. Number 3. EUFY Security Floodlight Cam S330. Experience unparalleled security with 360-degree pan and tilt coverage. This camera ensures there are no blind spots, giving you a complete view of your property at all times. Never miss a detail with stunning 2K Full HD resolution. Live stream and record footage in crystal clear quality, ensuring you see everything as it happens. Our smart lighting system features tunable panels that adapt to your needs. Adjust color temperature and brightness based on schedules or motion detection for optimal illumination. With advanced on-device AI, it intelligently recognizes people. It then locks onto, tracks, and records the subject, providing focus security. Turn night into day with 3000 lumens of super bright, motion-activated floodlights. Deter potential intruders and capture detailed, full-color recordings even in complete darkness. Built to withstand the elements, this device is weatherproof. You can rely on its performance in any condition, ensuring continuous protection. Enjoy comprehensive security without ongoing costs. This hardwired camera offers advanced features with no monthly subscription fees required. What we like. With its 360-degree pan and tilt, 2K HD video, and a powerful 3000 lumen floodlight, this camera offers comprehensive security. If you want to illuminate your entire yard and deter potential intruders with bright, motion-activated lighting, this is an excellent option. What people say. The setup was straightforward, and the app is user-friendly. It integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing voice control of the garage door. The auto-close feature is reliable and provides peace of mind. Number 2. EUFY Security 4K Indoor Camera E30. Experience every moment in stunning 4K clarity, day or night. Stay connected with loved ones using clear two-way audio for real-time conversations. Effortlessly monitor your entire space with a full 360-degree view. Easily adjust the camera's focus with a simple tap on your screen. Intelligent AI distinguishes between people, pets, and sounds, even crying. It automatically tracks movement to keep everything in frame. See clearly in the dark with vibrant color night vision, enhanced by a built-in spotlight. This spotlight also acts as a deterrent. Keep your footage secure with local storage options, meaning no monthly fees. Enjoy all features without any hidden costs. It seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, including HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant for enhanced automation. What we like. This camera delivers stunning 4K resolution and features advanced AI for auto-tracking and detection, plus color night vision. If you prioritize the absolute best video quality for monitoring your home, pets, or nursery, and want intelligent tracking capabilities, this camera is ideal. What people say. The EUFY Garage Door Opener is a game-changer for smart home integration, allowing you to control your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. Installation was straightforward, and the app provides a clean interface for managing access and receiving notifications. The device integrates seamlessly with other smart home ecosystems, offering voice control and automation possibilities. Number 1. EUFY Security Video Doorbell S330. Introducing the EUFY Security Video Doorbell S330. Its dual cameras offer superior front door coverage with crystal clear 2K HDR video, ensuring you never miss a detail. Never worry about deliveries again. This smart doorbell detects packages, sends timely arrival and pickup reminders, and alerts you to any tampering. With 3-second pre-roll, you can see exactly what happened before a motion event even occurred, providing crucial context for every alert. Enjoy effortless voice control and smart integration. It works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. Experience advanced security without the commitment. This device offers all its features with no monthly subscription fees required. Designed for straightforward setup, it's compatible with existing 16-24V, 30VA wiring, making installation a breeze. What we like. This video doorbell offers dual cameras for superior front door coverage in 2K HDR video, along with a unique delivery guard feature. If you want to keep your packages safe, monitor your doorstep with exceptional clarity, and receive smart alerts about deliveries, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The EUFY Garage Door Opener is a great addition to my smart home. It integrates seamlessly with my Google Home and Alexa devices, allowing me to control my garage door with voice commands. Installation was straightforward, and the app is very user-friendly. I love being able to check the status of my garage door from anywhere and receive notifications when it opens or closes. The build quality is solid, and the motor is surprisingly quiet. It's a reliable and convenient way to manage my garage access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.